Hey everybody, it's Alex and Jen from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Jen, what are we going to talk about today?
Alex, today we are talking about the all-new Smith & Wesson Shield EZ chambered in 9mm.
And this is hopefully going to be all you need to know in 90 seconds. So Smith & Wesson came out with the EZ in 9mm. I think this is going to be a great addition to their EZ lineup. Now, after we took this to the range, there are a couple features that you told me that you really liked. What were those?
You know, one of the first things I noticed was how easy it is to rack the slide back. That is a major bonus for this firearm. The magazine was super easy to load. It has these tabs on the side, so it's a lot better than shoving your thumbs down on it. And the recoil was extremely light compared to similar 9mm.
So Jen, a couple features I like. Now again, I agree with you 100% on the slide. It's going to be super easy to manipulate for a lot of people that may have arthritis or getting into their first gun. It'd be something that they can use and it'll be easy right off the bat. Also the texture. The texture is what you would expect out of a 2.0 Smith. It has a nice Velcro type grip that really sticks into your hand. They have a lot of great safety features on it also. It does have the grip safety. It does have extended thumb safeties also. Now, if you don't like thumb safeties, they will also be coming out with the non-thumb safety model. So Jen, we talked about a couple of the safety features, but let's talk about some other things that we like, maybe didn't like about the EZ in 9mm. Now, I like the 3-dot sights. It's easy for me to pick those up down range. They're standard white 3-dot sights that I expect out of most of my Smith & Wessons.
Yeah, and they're not my favorite, but like you said, they are standard. I prefer a little bit more color when I'm looking through sights, but I think the size of the white dot is what really makes it easier to pick them up downrange.
And I'm sure they're going to come out with a bunch of different options for sights, other manufacturers. Now, another thing that you and I both really liked, it was the wings on the back. It's something that even for big hands, small hands, whatever, it's definitely going to be a positive on this one.
Yeah, it gives you just that little bit of extra security that you have your grip on there.
When we were taking it out to the range, there were a couple times when we were shooting it that we were thinking, man, did it even cycle the round? And so we would look at our chamber indicator here and see if there was one in there, which was pretty helpful.
Yeah, and I was really impressed by how light the recoil was on this. I also really like that it comes with the 2 8-round magazines, but those mags don't add to the length of the grip like they do with the standard Shield.
So we put a couple different boxes of ammunition through this, from White Box Winchester, Federal, even some hollow points, and it did not have the hiccup at all. Now again, we cannot testify for the longevity, but we put about 200 to 300 rounds through it this morning with absolutely zero hiccups at all. Now let's talk about disassembly for a quick second. It is very easy to disassemble. All right, guys, just take your magazine out. You will log it to the rear. You just flip this straight down, all right, and it will come straight off the front. To reassemble it, you just line it all back up, put it straight to the back, and you are ready to go. It's pretty easy to use and disassemble. As you carry a Shield right now, what are some things that you liked that are just a little bit different? We talked about some things, but a little bit different that you noticed that you're going to definitely like on the EZ9 compared to the Shield?
So at first glance, I really like that the EZ in 9mm has a tack rail on it. It's not something that I would carry my firearm with a light on it, but I like having the option to put a light or something on there if I wanted to.
All right, guys, this is all you need to know in 90 seconds about the Smith & Wesson EZ in 9mm. Now, if you would like to see more of our 90-second reviews, we know that it's been a while because we've been busy here at the shop and haven't been able to do a lot of those reviews, but if there's more of those you would like to see, just comment down below on what you would like for us to do those over.
And if you would like to shoot this gun today, on day 1 of its release, you can stop by and see us at our indoor shooting range because we are the only place in Indiana that has one.
We're so awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you later. And that's all you need to know. 90 seconds. Boom. We're so good at this.
All right. Peace out.